Namaste everyone, welcome to Hamsayoga. This is me Gangothriyogini. In today's video we are going to learn one of the amazing pose. It's also called as arm balancing. The name of this asana is Dragonfly Pose. In Sanskrit it's called as Maksikanagasana, and it's also have another name. It's called as Parshvabhuja Dandasana. Commonly it's famous as Dragonfly Pose. This Dragonfly Pose is one of the arm balancing pose which need a balance, nice and deep twist on the trunk or upper part of the body. This asana need a lots of control while you are practicing it. If you are a beginner, if you want to learn this asana, then this is a perfect video for you. Let's begin to our practice. So before you are learning this pose, I suggest you to do Baby Grasshopper Pose. Then this asana will be easy because as it's deep twisting and give a nice stretch on the glute or side leg muscles, you need to prepare your legs and the hip for that. Here we are going to warm up our wrist. For that, I'll suggest you to sit in Vajrasana. Once you sit in Vajrasana, turn your palms like this and place your palms on the mat and put the weight on the wrist and movement this way. This is one of the best exercise or a movement which will help you increasing the strength on your wrist. In case if you are able to do this, then I suggest you to continue with this stretch. Extending your arm, just press your palm as much as possible to strengthen up your wrist and to place your palm completely on the mat. This is help you. You can continue on the both hand as long as possible. Just stay in this pose or stay in this stretch. It might be 30 seconds or a minute. Just hold this as long as possible. Once you're done, nice movement this way, up and down movement. For 10 to 20 times, that's enough. It's more than enough. So this is all for beginners. If you're able to do such kind of asanas like Bakasana, Parshvabhakasana, then this kind of exercise or wrist movement is not needed for them. As I told, this asana is one of the twisting asana. So just twist your body right and left to lightly give a easy twist for your body. And relax. Stretch your legs forward and bend your right leg and just align like a Shishupalasana here. With spine straight, this is a preparation for Dragonfly Pose to give a proper stretch on your hip and the side of your glute. Make a movement once you start, hold for a minute. Stretch your legs forward and one leg, which is I'm doing on the right side, just my right leg is front, and turn the trunk completely this way. The leg should be front here and placing the palms on the mat. It should be center of your body, not to the side, center, and bend forward down. Chin on the mat, stay there. Now slowly come up and relax. And even you can use the bricks, just placing the bricks like this, foot on the brick and bend forward. Now slowly come up and relax. This is a simple stretch or a pose which will help you to twist your trunk deeply where in the Dragonfly Pose. Let's move to the next step or next method. For that you need to do Parshvabhakasana or side crow pose. For that, sit in Malasana, legs together, place your palms on the mat, twist your trunk completely, then bending your elbows, push your shoulders forward and lift your legs up one by one and stay here. If you don't know how to do Parshabhakasana, there is already video about it. Please do check out the description box and you can just learn the Parshabhakasana, then later you can move to this pose. Once you are able to do Parshabhakasana, then place the leg like this. Got it? Once you place the leg, just place the hand. Elbow need to get down. I'll show you carefully. Just you need to rest your arm here, center of the foot. My elbow is down. My upper part, little upper part of the elbow is on the foot. This is how you need to align the hands in Dragonfly pose. Just from Malasana, place your leg like this. It should be like this here. The ankle should be out. Don't place the ankle on the thigh. It should be out. Then you can easily perform this asana. Just bending up forward, twisting your trunk. Place the palms here on the mat. Hold here as long as possible. If you feel difficulty to breathe, just stay for 5 to 10 seconds. Then come back and do like a rounds. Once you're here, lifting up the hip, putting our shoulders forward and stay here. Once you feel easy, lift up the leg. And relax. Same way up. And relax. So like this, you can make a movement and control your body. Here, whatever the arm balance you do, it's always about balance and the control, breathe. When these three coordinate, then your arm balance will be easier for you and you can easily learn arm balancing asanas too. Same way, get into the previous one. We are going to stretch the down leg. Here, when you are doing the stretch leg, the main importance is you should raise the leg straightly close to your shoulder level. Got it? And the next thing is your bended leg is there. Now it will get close to the shoulder side. As much as possible, press it opposite side to get a proper stretch or proper pose. This is up about Dragonfly pose. This is one of the great asana. Learn this asana. Let me know how about learning this asana with me on the comment section. I'll be back with another video. Till then, let's practice yoga. Let's be happy in our life. Be happy. Take care. Namaste. Bye bye.